Namaskaram. Welcome to Mata Bhuvaneshwari Jodidam. Today we will look into the importance of reciting the Hanuman Chalisa. Hanuman Chalisa is authored by Sant Tulsi Das in Awadhi language. The qualities of Lord Hanuman is mentioned in detail in Hanuman Chalisa. Hanuman Chalisa is of 40 verses, excluding the three couplets or doha, two couplets at the beginning and one at the end. It takes approximately 10 to 15 minutes to complete the recital of Hanuman Chalisa. It is believed that regular recital of Hanuman Chalisa helps us in getting the divine blessings and protection of Lord Hanuman. It helps us to get rid of evil spirits and negative energy. Reciting Hanuman Chalisa religiously is one of the most effective way to combat the malefic energies of all types in our life. It helps in removing obstacles from our life and helps us in achieving our goal so that we can have better control of our life. I always suggest my clients to recite Hanuman Chalisa for at least once in a day. Irrespective of what is the Graha position, whether we are affected by the malefic effect of any Graha or not, whether we are capable or willing to perform any parigaram or not, regular recital of Hanuman Chalisa immensely helps in reducing the malefic effects of any graha, especially of Shani Bhagwan and Shevai or Mangal. People under the influence of Shani Bhagwan like Sare Sati or Dhaiya or under the influence of Mangal like Mangal Dosha or Manglik can recite Hanuman Chalisa regularly to reduce the suffering of these dosha. Visiting Hanuman temple and worshipping Hanumanji will help them overcome their obstacles in life. If possible, I suggest my clients to distribute a copy of Hanuman Chalisa to people. Without going anywhere and spending time and money on doing some parigarams, we can recite Hanuman Chalisa at home to reduce the impact of any dosha. Now, let's see how to recite Hanuman Chalisa. Hanuman Chalisa can be recited in morning, after bathing, or in the evening. In evening, we need to wash our face, hands, and legs properly before reciting the Hanuman Chalisa. It is always recommended to first offer our prayer to Lord Rama and then start the recital of Hanuman Chalisa. We should not recite Hanuman Chalisa while we are sitting on the bed. We should try to recite Hanuman Chalisa for at least once in a daytime at same time. While reciting Hanuman Chalisa, one should try to make the correct pronunciation. As Hanuman Chalisa is written in Awadhi language, we may face difficulty in reading it in initial state, but regular practice will help us in improving our diction. I would like to repeat here that without going anywhere and spending time and money on doing some parigarams, we can recite Hanuman Chalisa at home to reduce the impact of any dosha. Please like, subscribe, and share my video and click the bell icon for further updates. Thank you.